Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, this process will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, typically this would also follow up by needing to FRP unlock your device, because let me explain, just so you know what you're getting yourself into if you're removing a screen lock. So for basically majority of the people doing this, your device is most likely logged into either a Samsung account or Google account. Now, whichever one it is, if you are doing this to remove a screen lock because you don't know it, as an example, once the reset is finished, you will need to verify either the screen lock or the previously used account. That could be Google or Samsung, it doesn't really matter. Whichever one it is, you will need to verify. And if you don't know either one of those, this would leave your device FRP locked, meaning you can't finish up the setup without verifying it. So basically your device becomes a brick. And typically I would have a bypass for this, meaning a circumvention of verification and then complete removal of it. But for this device at the moment of recording this, I have nothing. So I'm mentioning this for people that might be interested in this because I do tend to record those. For this device, I have nothing at the moment, and chances are there might not be anything for this device. I don't know, so just know that before you go any further with this process. Now, to get started, for the people that, for instance, know their Google or Samsung account, I'm going to progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. Now, we will need a cable for this, so you want to plug the cable into your computer and have it ready. Next, I'm going to plug it in actually. Just connect it. It will start charging your device. That doesn't really matter. And there's our screen lock. I'm gonna, like I said, progress from here. So you want to hold power button and volume down, and you will hold those two buttons till the device turns off, because this combination is a restart of a device if you hold it for long enough. And once it turns off, you want to switch to power button and volume up. Now, I recommend interacting with the display when you're holding power button and volume down, just so you know when the device actually turns off and doesn't actually time out. So, double press it, hold power button, volume down, ignore this. I'm just gonna start like fiddling around with the display, and once it turns off right about now, switch to volume up instead. This will show me Samsung, then Galaxy. Once you see Galaxy, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this takes us to recovery mode. Here we can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into this mode. And in here we will need to use volume buttons to navigate. So with that in mind, scroll down using volume down button and select wipe data factory reset. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it, then select factory data reset, confirm that. As you can see at the bottom, you will see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once again to initiate that reboot, and the device will now be continuing reset. So it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that is completely normal. Once the process of resetting is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.